Hello loves, and welcome to the first Island Styling in 2019. This is one of several videos you've seen for my holiday transition to winter decorating, and today I will share my island styling in my kitchen. If you love to hear the details and take a closer look for ideas and inspiration, stay tuned. First, we will start on the right side of the island where you will find the beautiful winter tray. If you like the details, click the eye above for the video on how I put this together. The tray starts with a nice thick bedding of pine cones, pine picks, and berries, and at the other end, a nice bedding of baby breath flowers. Moving up on the right side, there is a beautiful white snowbird surrounded by the same picks, and then you go up until you get to 2 candles that gives the height and warmth to the tray. A vase of more flowers and pine cones give more height to the background while softening the lines of the sign below. And lastly, to give interest and character, a simple black and white sign that gives homage to the season with a simple statement, "Winter is here." The tray is a gorgeous winter setting and starts off the island decor. At the center of the island, we have the buffet server with one of my Christmas presents from a great friend. The sign is perfect and just the right size for the buffet server. You can purchase the sign at Kirkland's. I love the details of the sign. It's a glass frame sign with the perfect message. Kitchen brings family together. I just love it. The black and white pops perfectly and brings the eye to the center of the island. To soften the lines at the bottom of the sign, I added more of those gorgeous pine picks and the white houses that I purchased from Target. If you want to know more about these accessories, click the eye above. To close the island decor is a vignette of 3. Most of you are familiar with the black lanterns. They were a gift several years ago from Tuesday Morning. The black stands are from Grandin Road. That was also a gift from hubby. They lift the lanterns perfectly to frame the tall 2.5-foot pine tree. A pine wreath on top of the stand softens the hard edges and adds another greenery to the vignette. To finish, I added a bed of snow at the base of the tree and a snowbird perched on the branches. Lastly, I tied 2 winter wreaths on the back of both chairs with a black satin ribbon. Each wreath has a variety of pine picks and white berries that matches the berries on the island decor perfectly. That'll do it for this video. Hopefully I've inspired you to create your own island tableescape for this winter. See you on the next one. If you love DIYs, decorating, organizing, and so much more, click the subscribe button and click the bell for new videos notification every week. Don't forget to visit my other social media platforms for ideas and tips to decorate, organize, or better your home living. Until the next time, my friends, smooches!